Hello everyone, hope I'm audible. So this is a software that I have developed. This is software I've named it as UniQuest, and this is basically a university course paperless admission slash registration system for students all across the globe to apply to any university uh, for for the ease. So let me just get started. This is my landing page, and we also have a user manual. So if some user wants to see some basic users, they can see through our user manual. Then let's just get started. You can see over here, I have integrated an OAuth feature over here as well. So basically, we have three types of users: student, admin, university professional, as well as admins. So we can log in manually through username and password, which gets stored in our uh, database. But you don't need to worry. This password is encrypted, so we developers won't be able to see whatever you do log in here with. So let me just show you the OAuth feature, how it works. So I'm basically signing in, and here we go. This is our student dashboard. So we logged in as a user, as a student, so it redirected us to the student dashboard. Here we have this sidebar. The front end is not that good yet, but here we have different carousels, courses in Indian universities, foreign universities, branches slash programs also we can add here. Here in future, I plan to add some news regarding the admission process from various universities. The universities can advertise it over here. Then we have the checklist section. This is basically the student checklist. They add the universities, preferred universities, for future reference in this checklist, and they can refer to it whenever they want to. We also have the branch slash program list, postgraduate, anything. So this is the checklist that the student, as a student makes for referring to whichever university he or she intends to apply in future. Then we have a UniCompare page. UniCompare, we can compare between multiple universities, not just one, two, or three, but multiple universities, as many as they like. And based on the criteria that we have added here: location, QS rating, average salary, notable alumni, courses offered, and placement percentage, they can compare between multiple universities and see which fit their criteria better. And then we also have a deadline management system here. uh, for now we have just added some sample universities, unless university A, B, C, and D. So let's say we add this university, so we will see this gets highlighted over here. Now if we add some another university, let's say add this, now this gets highlighted over here. So and then we also have this upload ease section for those, let's say all universities have require some common documents for the admission process. So basically students can apply, means upload those documents from here and then submit and save those documents. We also have a drag and drop feature, and let's say they drag and drop recommendation, so it automatically gets dropped in this recommendation section. Let me just show you some demo. I guess it will work. Just a minute. Let's say I add some this image. So you can see this gets drag and dropped over here. You can also choose from file, um, for all the universities. And we also have this payment section. We have just made a demo of this. We have not integrated it with actual payment API. Use some payment API to integrate all these things for as of now, but it works well. You submit payment and payment is successful. Then let's move. Another interesting feature that I forgot to mention is let's say we move on to some other page and then we come back here. While the user is still logged in, they will be able to see their data, whatever they were previously doing in this dashboard. So this data remains heavy. So we have done by maintaining a local storage for uh, each login or each session that the users, or specifically speaking students, view. Then let's say we from this dashboard we can go through different multiple pages. If we go to, let's say, search university page, this is a search university page. Here basically we can search for various universities based on these filters. For now we just have 330 universities in our database, but as we can add much more. I purposely not use some API of universities list, because let's say it will create another API dependency. So I don't want to get into it, because if in future some API gets crashed, or let's say some bugs occur, or let's say they have not updated it, it's not well updated, so that will also get reflected over here. So that old data uh, will also may create problems here as well. So let me just show you. We can filter it by university. Let's say I want to search for Cornell. So Cornell gets filtered. We can also search by location. Let's say USA. USA. So USA, the universities in USA in our database gets filtered over here. Let's say UK, we get those universities here. Or let's say France. I'm not sure France we have any, or we have only the top universities as of now are in my database. We can also search for India, or we can even go more specific. Let's say West Bengal. So all universities in West Bengal gets listed over here. Or let's say even more specific. Let's say Kolkata, a city. So all the universities in Kolkata gets listed over here. We can also search it by QS ranking. Let's say 23. So 23 we have Columbia University, or let's say 49. So we have Chinese university, the CUHK University of Hong Kong over here. And 20. We can also view this in grid format for ease, whichever the students prefer to. So basically, let me show you the university dashboard as well. So in university dashboard, we have each university will have their own dashboard pages where they can see which students have applied to the university and in which course they have applied to. And we also have some analytics, so we can make more analytics based on this above data anytime. Then we also have this apply promotion button. So basically, when they click on this, it will send some message to the marketing team, to our marketing team, and based on that, you can see over here featured is being mentioned beside the name of the university. So basically, whichever university applies for this promotion option will charge some minor cost or money, better said, and we can place those universities. We can mention featured beside those universities, and through some simple ML sorting algorithm, we can just place them on top of the list. Also, when students, when applying to these universities, they will be able to when they're doing the form submission, we will charge some minor extra charge for the application when applying to the universities. Then we have this scholarship portal page where the students can view whichever scholarship the universities are presently giving or offering for the students. Now let's return back to the student dashboard. In the student dashboard, here we have other pages like upload documents page. This is also a common page for uploading the documents and all. Then we have settings. So we can change multiple settings here. We just made a sample template. Yeah, not done much, nothing much. Then we have this billing page, helpline page. Basically, these are not connected yet. Profile page, university profile basically. Then we have this sign up page, which leads again to the login page. Documentation page is the user manual as of now. And then we have this upgrade to pro. So an upgrade to pro page, different subscriptions are mentioned here. This is just a sample template as well, but we intend for if the students want to make some common means do some common subscription, means let's say they want to apply to multiple such universities. So rather than charging some nominal fee based on each of the universities the application they're applying to, we'll charge some common fee over here, which is of course more than the cost they will apply. They are applying for, let's say, one or two universities. So that was our student revenue side. Then we have this university profile page. Each universities will have the separate profile pages as well. So basically, let me show you. We have also done some Aadhaar integration. Aadhaar integration. Just a minute. Cross this. Here, if you go, this is my email, and then this is the last email that I have received today at 1:51 p.m. So let me just. We have integrated it, but actually not done anything much more with it. Okay, this is the Aadhaar card number, my email. So you can see I've successfully sent an OTP. Now let's verify this. Okay, here you go. Here is the OTP. Now let's say, and I'm typing this 837 just 837144, I guess it was 837144. Yes. So I press enter. You see OTP verification successful, and let's try it one more time. 1354511845. Then email address. Here you go. We will get another email from them, from my software. Here you go. So whatever this may be, let's just try to give some random. This is not match with that the one that they've sent. So you see OTP verification failed. So this is some basic Aadhaar OTP verification that we are doing, it's not fully functional as well until now, but yeah, it works well. So let's just come to our most uh, important or most best feature that we have integrated over here. So let's just we can ask any question, but it will give better responses for career based ones. So let's say I want to apply for a uh, medical course medical program in uh, let's say France. What are the best universities and courses, and describe my entire career path along with the exams that I need to appear for um, as an Indian student in the admission process. I'm purposely giving it a long prompt. Uh, okay, so let's just send it and let's just see what it replies. I don't know whether you can listen to this or not, but it's actually dictating what it wrote. So you can see these details as well. So it gives the entire career path. You can see NEET. You need to clear the NEET exam to prove eligibility for medical studies abroad. Then we need to apply for TOEFL or IELTS exam. Then multiple more programs. Bone chance. Some good joke as well at the end. Okay, so this was our AI, which gave you responses instantly. So this is all from my end. I hope you liked my software UniQuest. I will come up with multiple such softwares in future.